Well, g'day everybody, and I hope everyone is doing very well. Well, today's video is going to be basically just a little bit of a teaser to what the video I'm going to be releasing on Sunday. What I've done is I've taken footage in the car and on the beach and everything with my phone, and just giving you a little bit of a look around of what's actually there along Tewa Beach, Double Island Point, Rainbow Beach, Coloured Sands, and all that sort of area there. So just give you a bit of an idea of what's there, and the drone footage to come will be Sunday morning Australian time, Saturday night in the US, and from all over the world. I'll work those times out, no idea. Anyway, so please, let's get to the video. Hit the like and subscribe if you want to, that would be great, and I shall see everybody on the next one. Ciao. Oh, well, here I go again. What do I do this to myself? I sort of knocked off work last night. Haven't really had much sleep, and I've just driven 2.5 hours north of Brisbane, so up to a place called Tewantin near Noosa up here, and a mate of mine's camping on the island with his missus for the week, so he invited me up here for the day to get some footage, bring me drone and get some footage up with that. So I can't pass an opportunity like that up, so you know, why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I go without any sleep to do this? Oh God! So I brought the 3 drones up here, the Pro 2, the Pro, and the Spark. We'll get the Spark on the beach and give that a bit of a crack. Should be good out there. So let's go check this joint out, mate, and have a look at this bit of a beach. We're just waiting for the barge at the moment. It starts at 5:30 in the morning, so I'll get over there and hopefully get a bit of a sunrise. Anyway, see you on the beach. Well, here we go. The sun's up now, so we're on the beach and we're taking a bit of a tour along here. Some beautiful sights to be seen, so if you ever get the chance to pop up here, absolutely fantastic. And there's Pete there doing all the driving for me. He's going to be in Showbit, driving Miss Daisy today. I'll just give you a quick squiz at the beach. There we go, look at that. Oh, it's a bit bumpy. Beautiful stuff. All along the beach here, we've got a lot of people fishing. So you've got to be a bit careful when you're driving down here, you don't run anyone over. Look at that, poor bugger. He looks like he's relaxing too much. Look at him. That Pete's a bit camera shy. He's got a face for radio though, hasn't he? Shit. And just have a crack at this coastline here. Absolutely beautiful. My goodness. Can't wait to get the drone up here and have a bit of a look. What a place. We'll be going back after we do a bit of stuff, and have a bit of a fly, see a bit of that headland up there, and we'll go and get something to eat, I think. Heading across to Rainbow Beach now. We just come back from Tewa Beach and Double Island Point. You wouldn't think sand would be so bumpy, would you? Oh. This is ridiculous. Oh my God, Rainbow Beach. Have a look at that. Have a look at this. Rainbow Beach, folks. Well, check out Rainbow Beach. We're going to get the drone up here. We're going to have a bit of a look at this place too. Look at those trees. Oh my God. Righto, well, I've just finished flying down here at Rainbow Beach. I don't know if you can see these colours in the background. What a beach. I cannot believe the colours that come out in these sands. They call it the Coloured Sands. This beach here, absolutely fantastic. And look at that water, oh my God. Hopefully the drone footage come out okay. I did shoot it in D-Log, which is what I'm preferring at the moment, and hopefully I can pull these colours right out, because let me tell you, what a place. Unbelievable. I think I've finished me flying here. I've used the 2 Pro. Over 6 batteries here, and I've just done a Mavic Pro battery down on Coloured Sands just here, and I'll tell you what a beautiful place. I can't wait to get back and start putting the footage together. It's going to be really good, and I've got to thank Peter here for driving me around, being my chauffeur. stop there, go here, go there. I've got to get this, stop. So he's been really patient with me. Look, I'm either going to put the footage on the computer, which I probably will because I can't help myself, or I'm going to have a sleep because I am absolutely knackered. Anyway, let's get to it. So thanks again, Pete, and I'll catch you, buddy. Thanks, man.
Bye.